Welcome children. Today we are going to learn sound of vowels and consonants. Apple. A-double-P-L-E. Ball. B-A-double-L ball. Cat. C-A-T cat. Dog. D-O-G dog. Egg. E-double-G fan. F-A-N fan. Gun. G-U-N gun. Hurt. H-U-T hurt. Ink. I-N-K ink. Joker. J-O-K-A-R joker. Kite. K-I-T-E kite. Lion. L-I-O-N lion. Mug. M-U-G mug. Nut. N-U-T nut. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Purse. P-U-R-S-E purse. Quill. Q-U-I-L-L quill. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T rabbit. Sun. S-U-N sun. Tub. T-U-B tub. Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A umbrella. Van. V-A-N van. Whale. W-E-L-L whale. X-ray. X-R-A-Y X-ray. Yak. Y-A-K yak. Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A zebra. Thank you.